Oh, why are you crying? Guess what? A survey showed that the most stressful moment for parents in childcare is when their baby cries. Let me introduce a product which supports those struggling parents in the world. Oh. Einene, which was developed by First Ascent, was successfully categorized 5 types of baby's emotion by analyzing 150,000 babies' cry in 150 countries. Surprisingly, einene can recognize the reason by just listening to baby cry. Well, the baby seems to be hungry. 80% accurate. Moreover, this device can train baby sleeping. When the baby cannot sleep, the sound called white noise will make baby fall asleep. Furthermore, this device also wakes up the baby with the light similar to sunshine at specific time as a training to adjust her or his body clock. It is an amazing item which brings innovation to childcare. There is no doubt that einene will be a strong ally for raising your children. Oh, okay.
Have you ever tried to call someone but weren't sure whether they were available? Have you ever missed calls because someone has tried to call you while you were driving or in a meeting? skyplus is an Android and iOS application which allows users to set their current availability status, removing any ambiguity if someone wants to contact them. Users can also clearly see the availability of their contacts when they want to call them. It's available as a standalone application, but it can also be integrated into popular services such as Line. Once installed, users can set their availability status manually, or it can be set automatically via GPS-enhanced AI algorithms. With skyplus, we can avoid problems such as being interrupted by someone's call, and missing calls while driving or working, and having to get back to people when you miss their call. It also works if you don't want to answer a call. If your boss calls you while you're watching a video, skyplus aims to come up with the best excuse to get back to them. In the age of 24/7 connectivity, receiving phone calls and messages at inconvenient times is a universal problem that Geekline is here to solve. Hello? Hi!
The flying cars you see in a science fiction movie. A Japanese manufacturer has completed a manned flight test in just 2 years. Let's take a look at skydrive's flying car. Cool! It's surprisingly compact. How does it fly? It's flying! And it's eco-friendly. Easy to get on when it becomes self-driving. This will surprise your partner if you use it on a date. There will be a lot of airports in the city. I'm looking forward to the Expo 2025 Osaka Kansai. It will be a dream come true when we ride on the Sky Road. What an amazing era! Taxi!
Each year, hundreds of thousands of people, especially stroke patients and the elderly, are dying worldwide from pneumonia due to the inhalation of foods. Gokuri is a device that monitors and evaluates an individual's swallowing ability by analyzing vibrations collected from the surface of their neck. With real-time swallow detection, quantification, and visualization, Gokuri offers all users the chance to enjoy the full experience of eating without worry. Gokuri consists of a wearable, waterproof sensory neckband, smartphone app, and cloud system. Gokuri's proprietary deep learning algorithm has a swallowing detection accuracy rate of 97%. Swallowing count, duration, variability, as well as coughing and other irregular breathing episodes are quantitatively assessed in real time, together with 3-axis head and neck movements, body temperature, blood oxygen saturation, heart rate, and heart rate variability. Individuals can use Gokuri from the comfort of their own home, reducing hospital visits and strain on healthcare resources. Data acquired can help doctors assess symptoms of aspiration easily at the point of care. Through designing affordable technology that solves social challenges hindering quality of life, Plimes aims to empower people to live life to the fullest.
Making a mobile payment simply by holding your smartphone near a reader like this takes less than a second. By using the same technology, it is possible to create a whole new lifestyle with endless possibilities. Kuno, a platform created by Kuno, makes it possible to access a multitude of services in the exact same manner. Utilizing services that used to take place face-to-face can now all be accessed through your own smartphone. For example, checking into a hotel with a single touch. No more crowded lobbies, no more labor shortage. At a restaurant, customers can access and order from the menu themselves. Anonymous usage statistics can be used for marketing purposes and customer behavior analysis. At restricted locations like offices, it can be used for attendance management, as well as granting or restricting access. And Kuno can be utilized for anonymous contact tracing during COVID-19 as well. Let's create a new lifestyle with a single touch.
Do your employees suffer from back pain, or are they standing for long periods of time? Approximately 1/4 of medical leave across all industries is related to back pain. But Arcules has developed an innovative solution to this problem. Arcules is an exoskeleton suit available for sale or rent, which allows for leg strain-free standing, ideal for professions such as surgery and factory work. After attaching Arcules to their legs, the weight of the wearer is dispersed via the shins and thighs, making standing for long periods of time much easier. Users can walk freely and sit as they normally would. No power supply is required. It's easy to wear regardless of height and body type. Using the Arcules Exoskeleton Assist suit, anyone can stand for a long period of time without unnecessary strain to the legs and lower back. Arcules' mission is to remove the pain from standing work. Wait! Are you looking for a health monitoring device that's non-contact and safe? Many health monitoring devices require the user to either wear or watch the device in order to use it. But Mari Company has come up with a device that monitors the user's health completely hands-free and with ease. This is a non-contact vital sensory device. This product detects the location of the user and measures their pulse and breathing rate with the use of millimeter wave radar technology. This privacy-friendly and non-contact product allows the user to live freely and comfortably without having to always worry about their health all the time. Mari Company is here to solve the world's health and sleep problems with their non-contact technology. Here's to a hands-free, healthy life.
Hi, I would like to introduce a mask for respiratory apparatus which is easy to handle for anyone by idevice. I didn't know that ordinary masks let the air go out of gaps between chin and cheeks because facial shapes vary with each individual. In the case of emergency, doctors have to press it hard on faces to stop the air leakage, but it causes many patients' face to get hurt by being oppressed with the masks. Then what came along with a unique below structure is this accordion mask. This fits on in accordance with bumps on faces, so it's suitable for everyone. You don't need to oppress it. It is easy to handle, so elderlies can easily wear it on their own and use it as a respiratory apparatus at home. Wow, it didn't hurt me at all and best fit on my face. Japanese are very good at paying attention to the tiny details.
Have you ever been watching a video online and wanted more information on a product or location that was featured without having to search for it manually? Developed by Paranym, TIG is a next-generation video technology that allows its users to access additional information on a video's content with just a single touch or click. Videos played within TIG have clickable elements, allowing users to gain more information-specific components, eliminating the need for them to perform a search query. Users can be directed to any type of web service such as reservations, directions, and landing pages. Users are no longer required to manually search for the information they're looking for. Video distributors can directly promote their products to an audience in an intuitive manner. Paradigm wants to create a world where people can find the information they're looking for without relying on search literacy. Try TIG today and experience the future of video.
To all medical professionals battling against this unknown virus over the world on the frontier of medical fields, we really appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. We might be able to be of use to you with our Japanese technologies. We would like to contribute to this current situation, so our team of liquid design systems developed this Taido Sensa Kaigo Logmet to mitigate medical professionals' risks of virus infections. Just place a sensor mat on a patient's bed to monitor their breath and heartbeats without having to touch their bodies, and an alarm goes off to notify you when it detects problems in their health conditions. Our cloud system MedCloud is connectable up to a maximum of 200 devices at once and enables you to remotely monitor 64 patients on a screen in real time. It is already utilized in medical facilities in Japan. We would like this product to be used all over the world. Dear medical professionals, we will also support you.
With COVID-19 overcrowding hospitals around the world, wouldn't it be great to have a device that can monitor your vital signs from the safety of your own home? Researchers have suggested that saturated oxygen levels, as well as respiration and cough rates, have a strong correlation with COVID-19 symptoms. Quantum Operations' wearable vital sign sensors aim to identify potential cases of COVID-19 in their early stages, helping to reduce the spread of the virus. The same sensors can also be used to monitor sleep apnea syndrome. These wearable vital sign sensors, combined with AI data analysis, provide continuous monitoring of specific COVID-19 and sleep apnea indicators. As vital signs are continuously monitored remotely, wearers don't need to visit medical institutions in person, reducing both strain on the medical industry and potential exposure to others. Quantum Operation is an IoT medical and healthcare startup developing sensing technology within the medical field. Their focus is not solely on COVID-19, but to prevent all types of illnesses from becoming problematic on a large scale.
Today, I would like to introduce the device named Small High Performance Doppler Lidar, which monitors conditions in the atmosphere and helps us to use drones safely. Let's check the Small High Performance Doppler Lidar. This is basically a data delivery service for the protection of drone safety. Movement of a dust blown off by wind, wind direction and wind velocity. It is possible to grasp the wind conditions three-dimensionally. By Doppler lidars, we monitor the 3D wind conditions real-time and quickly analyze a gust of wind and turbulence, both of which are threats to drones. This was unable to be monitored and predicted before. Why don't you deploy multiple inexpensive, high-performance small Doppler lidars developed by Metro Weather in drone flight areas to monitor real-time wind conditions? It offers safety of commercial drone operation, achieving routine beyond visual line of sight drone flight, importance and possible realization of flying overhead. With this drone pilots, drone delivery operators, UTM operators, we can enjoy using drones without worrying the troubles. Yeah!
Is your company struggling due to labor shortages? Well, Chino Kijutsu has developed a brand new automated robot using Japan's most advanced AI and robot technology so that robots can accomplish tasks the same way a human would. This is the Click and Go. This is a mobile robot that can perform a variety of tasks in the warehouse, from arrival to shipment. What's even better is you can transform your mobile device or computer into a robot remote control to automate tasks in the warehouse at a low cost without the need to purchase a brand new device. Kuno has successfully developed a free-roaming robot. Conventional AI systems rely on a large number of computers and sensors in order to make decisions, but this system uses a camera located above or on the ceiling in order to recognize obstacles on the ground or determine the best route to take. And it can be controlled wirelessly like a remote control car using your mobile phone or computer. Kuno aims to eliminate labor shortages by having AI and robots take care of whatever tasks you need. Have you ever worried about your own personal health or that of your employees at work? Monitoring the overall health of a company's workforce is key to maintaining a safe and secure work environment. The ability to visualize the stress levels, tiredness, and other core biometric information can increase productivity and reduce accidents across a wide range of industries. Hamon is a line of smartwear by Mitsufuji that is able to collect biometric information from an individual and upload it to a server for analysis. Hamon combines fabric made with AG-POS conductive fibers and a detachable transmitter for stress-free and comfortable biometric monitoring. Hamon securely sends information to the Mitsufuji cloud, allowing system administrators to monitor the well-being of their workforce and be notified automatically when health irregularities are detected. Individual users can also see information such as their heart and breathing rates via their smartphone. Hamon allows businesses to make informed strategic decisions regarding shift patterns and individual staff management. By visualizing both the current and future status of employees' body conditions, Hamon aims to solve social and corporate management issues.